Today we will study the paradox of value. The classical economists were unable to explain why diamond, which is less useful, commands a high price in the market, whereas water, which is very essential for human life, is available at a low price in the market. This is a paradox of value because higher price generally indicates higher utility of the good and lower price indicates lower utility of the good. So the diamond water paradox prevented the classical economists to explain the price of goods in reference to the utility of these goods. Now we'll know how, with the help of the marginal utility concept, the problems of paradox of value can be solved easily. Actually, the price of the commodity is not determined by the total utility but by the marginal utility. So remember, always the price of the commodity determined by the marginal utility. As per the law of diminishing marginal utility, the marginal utility of a good diminishes as the stock of the good increases. So remember, always the marginal utility diminishes when the stock of the good increases. In real life, the marginal utility of diamond is higher than water because water is available plentifully and diamond is a scarce commodity. Always the consumer has sufficient stock of water. So the marginal utility of an additional glass of water is very low. But the marginal utility of an additional piece of diamond is very high. So this is the reason why water is available at a low price whereas diamond commands a high price in the market. But in a changed situation, the reverse would happen. For example, as we know, water is scarce in desert. In this case, water would command a very high price than diamond. This is due to the fact that the marginal utility of water is very high in desert.